Satnam, beloved hearts. Welcome to the Kundalini meditation. I would like to share with you a very powerful practice. It's called liberation Kriya or longevity Kriya. This Kriya, as Yogi Bhajan said, will change you at the molecular level. It can really put you on the new path, on a new track in your life. You will feel how your body, your mind are renewed. If you do this Kriya for 40 days, that's a commitment. But even if you do it occasionally, you will have that sense of renewal after every practice. It's only 9 minutes, but these are very powerful 9 minutes. So let's start. Bring your palms together. And we're going to tune in with mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the creative wisdom within myself. I bow to the creative wisdom of the universe. So close your eyes, relax your shoulders, make a deep inhalation through the nose. And exhale completely. And inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deep, hold the breath, bring your focus on your third eye, the point between your eyebrows, the center of your inner knowing. Hold the breath, keep the focus. And exhale and release your hands. And then we'll start the Kriya. Open your arms 60 degrees. Your Jupiter finger, index finger, is extended. Other 3 fingers are closed with the thumb in the palm of your hand. So make sure your arms are in one line and you're really reaching with the index finger. The Jupiter energy, planet Jupiter, is the planet of expansion, the planet of wisdom. So we're going to extend our fingers, reaching for that wisdom, reaching for that energy. Close your eyes and roll your eyes down and bring your focus on the chin, which is your moon center. Keep your eyes closed, keep the focus. Your arms are completely straight, one line, your fingers are extended, and we'll start a long, deep breath. Now stretch your pinky finger, your Mercury finger out, together with the Jupiter finger. Keep your arms completely straight. You're connecting the sky and the earth through your heart right in the middle of it. Stretch your arms and stretch and open your heart. And now open all fingers. All fingers are stretching out, your arms are straight. Keep on breathing, keep on focusing on the moon center, your chin, And feel that connection, feel how you connecting the energy of the planet Earth and the energy of the entire universe through your body, through your being. Feel that energy coming through you. Now inhale, make your hands, make your arms very, very strong, very tense, and hold and stretch them out. Exhale and inhale again. And stretch and tense even more. Feel how your body starts shaking. Exhale, and the last time, inhale, hold, stretch, tense, feel it in every atom of your body. And exhale and release your hands. Make a couple of inhalations and exhalations to calm your breath down. And we're going to tune out. Bring your palms together. We'll chant mantra Sat Nam, my name is Truth. Inhale deep. Exhale. And inhale to begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Bring your palms above your head. Light to all, to your forehead. Peace to all, to your throat chakra. Truth to all, to your heart. Love to all, to the Mother Earth. Health and prosperity to all. Satnam. Have a wonderful journey with this powerful Kriya.